My name is Sizwe Buwa. I work in the RDTS as a target engineer. I come from the Eastern Cape in a small town called Tendane. I did my high schooling here in Cape Town. I've been involved with Itemba Labs for 14 years now, but as a target engineer, I started this role about 3 years ago, and it has been quite a nice journey where we do targets for the research community. The target is made out of information from the physics researcher. They will give us the thickness of the target, the type of material, and obviously the time frame by which they need this target. We will look into it, the feasibility of it. Then once we've established how we're gonna go about, then we will be able to start up with the process. We call it target preparation. Depending on the target itself, some targets require just a simple rolling. Others, we do them using a technique called vacuum deposition, and others we use an instrument known as an e-gun. Material varies depending on the target of the day. The most challenging one in my case has been targets that you cannot manufacture in a normal environment. They must always be carried out under vacuum. An example which I can mention is calcium targets. Once you've manufactured it, you leave it there for a minute or so, you come back, it will be oxidized, meaning it's got affinity for oxygen. You put it there, it reacts with oxygen, and the next thing is gone. The most expensive are your ones that are of isotopic nature, because again, a lot of energy or efforts is put in when we are manufacturing them, so they don't come cheap. Science is of utmost importance because it will basically unlock a lot of questions about your surrounding, about why things are happening the way they are. It has in the past, and it is today, and it will in future supply us with a lot of knowledge and answers to those questions that we always strive to actually get in life. Even in our communities where we come from, we are able to tap into the knowledge of science and bring those back into the communities where we live in by making sure that we can now advise people as to why they mustn't do this, because of this will happen to them. So in that sense, it's a very powerful tool. What gets me up in the morning is the fact that what we do, we consider ourselves as the most important person in the food chain. The process starts with us. We make a target, and this target gets used by the research communities in making sure that when they do their data analysis, they are able to use our targets, the targets that we've made, to actually do their experiments.